This video is only for the serious people who actually want to start a profitable online business. This video is not for those people who want to launch some get rich quick scheme and fall into some sorts of scam in the hope of getting rich quick. So if you really want to start a profitable online business, then watch this video till end. And after watching this video, you'll have a proper vision. I promise that you'll have a proper vision on how you can start a profitable online business again and again. That's my promise to you. My name is Pawan Dakal, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any question, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you got value from this video, please do share it with your friends, family, with those people who you care. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So to start a profitable online business, firstly you need to know about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing means you need to sell a product and you will get a pre-decided commission. For example, this is a affiliate marketplace where you can find several offers in any niche, in any topic you can find. So here we have a weight loss product, that is Okinawa Flat Belly. So if you are able to sell this product, then that one sale can bring you $136.40. So in this world, whatever thing are bought or sold online have an affiliate program. 90% such product and services have affiliate program. So you can join several affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Max Bounty, ShareASale, Impact Radius, and so on. And you will find several of these kind of offer which you can sell and get this kind of commission. So that would be your first step. You need to know that there are affiliate programs for every product and services that are bought and sold online. So next important thing you need to know is about ad spy tools. So you can simply search on Google about ad spy tools and you'll find several of them, and it has a huge role in order to start a profitable online business. So what these spy tools will do is it will help you to know what is actually selling in the market in online, either it is in Facebook or it is in Google. Various people run paid ads in Facebook, in Google, in Bing, and there are lots of ad platform, native ad platform. You may not know this, but don't get confused. I'll make you absolutely clear on all of these topics. So once you get a ad spy tool, then what will you be capable is you'll be able to see the product that is selling in high volume. So for example, I have a Buddha ball, which is a simple ball that floats because of the magnetic field that is used in here. You can see that. Now someone is selling it through Facebook ad. Now if you have an ad spy tool, then what happens? You can simply see here there are 13k likes, 584 comments, and 655 share, and they are paying Facebook to show their ad to various people. Now when this ad gets displayed in people's news feed, then they will suddenly get interested in this product, and most probably they may want to buy, and they will simply click on shop now, and they will visit to the page where they can purchase this Buddha ball. So now they will fill the quantity, how much quantity they want, and they will add to cart and buy this product. Now this product costs $139. Now this may be a e-commerce product, or this may be an affiliate product, that is another thing. But in this way you can run Facebook ad for several products. So here is something that is a cloth that doesn't get wrinkle or something like that, and it has like 11k likes and 1.6k comments. Now you can search for the affiliate program for such products, and you can run Facebook ad to sell this product. Now you may wonder, I don't know how to run Facebook ad. Then in that case there is a marketplace, that is Fiverr or Fiverr, whatever you would like to call. So what you can do is you can hire freelancer, hire real people to do work for you. For example, let's say you want to make a website like this. Okay, so you can copy this link, and you can send someone who is a landing page or website designer or maker. Just type landing page or website. Okay, so here you can see landing page design. Simply click on here and you can hire people to make a website which is exactly like this, or you can modify it a little bit by telling them. Similarly, you may not know how to create this kind of video that they have made here. Then you can simply share, click on share and copy the link of this post and search for Facebook video ad and click on your search, and you will find the people who will make short video ads, and you can hire them and just simply share them this post link. Just copy this link and share it to them and tell them you want a similar video like this, not this exact video. You cannot use this exact video and you should not use it, is unethical, but you can model them. And you can hire everything, like maybe you want to set up something, then you can simply search about that thing here and you can hire people. You'll see the price at here, how much they would cost, and you can use this filter, so budget, and let's say you can only pay from $20 to $40. Then you can simply make this and click on apply. You can hire people from $5 in Fiverr, and here you'll see these people who will make Facebook video ads for you for $25, $30, $40, $25. So in this way you can use this marketplace. Okay, now we will talk about something that is extremely important for you to start a profitable online business for lifelong. But before that, let me again repeat what you need to do. Firstly, you need to spy by using ad spy tools. You need to spy on what's actually working today. Once you find that out, then you need to hire freelancer to do work for you. You can hire landing page designer, you can hire video ads maker, you can even hire someone to run a Facebook ads for you. You can hire someone to set up email autoresponder for you, and you can even hire copywriters to write the email sequence for you. Email marketing is also extremely important, because if you see the businesses that are online, all have the email marketing in their online business, because that is the ultimate thing that you own. So it is extremely important, because once you get someone email, then you can keep on promoting them several products again and again for years and years to come. But you need to build a good relationship with your email list also. Now this may sound a little bit complicated for you, but it is not, because you may not know about these things. That's why it is sounding complicated for you, but actually it is simple. And here is the thing that makes it absolutely simple for you, and that thing is the 15-day online business builder challenge. So the person you are seeing here is Dave Saab, I have a huge respect for this man because he is responsible for changing the life of lots of normal people like you and me. He is a ninth grade failed and is already featured in Forbes because he have created multiple seven-figure businesses by promoting affiliate product and by using email marketing. And that is the exact thing that he's going to teach in this 15-day online business builder challenge, which costs like $7 only. Now let me show you why this 15-day online business builder challenge will actually help you to start a profitable online business from scratch, even if you don't know anything. The first and the important thing that this 15-day online business builder challenge will provide you is a business plan advisor, or real person with whom you can talk in no additional charge. You will not need to pay any money to get a business plan advisor, and they are the experienced people of this 15-day online business builder challenge, and they will actually show you the right vision, right path on how you need to move forward. Now most people are nervous to talk to a stranger, but they are absolutely kind human being who actually wants to help you to help you so that you can start a profitable online business. Because if you are successful, then this 15-day online business builder challenge will also be successful. Now they have lots of proven results. Lots of normal people like you and me have already built a profitable online business by using simple stupid technique, by promoting affiliate product with email marketing and by using landing page. Now another thing that they provide, which is extremely gem for you, is sales funnel. So sales funnel is a type of landing page which you can get within few clicks. They will also have a tutorial on how you can set up this landing page by yourself, and you can simply get this landing page by clicking at here. So once you complete this 15-day online business builder challenge, you will already have a online business set up for yourself with the help of person who have already made over $200 million or $250 million, that is Dave Sharp. And by following the strategy that I taught you in this video in the beginning, and with the knowledge that you get from Dave Sharp, you can absolutely create a profitable online business for yourself again and again for lifelong. So I have given a link in the description of this video for this 15-day online business challenge. And remember, this is for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. You don't need to have any experience previously, and you can trust this guy Dave Sharp. He is absolutely gem. But if you have still any doubt or confusion, then please do comment below so that I can answer you to give you a proper vision so that you can move into the right direction. And one important thing, that this challenge, this online business builder challenge, is not available in all the countries. So if your country is not available for this challenge, then I will leave an alternative for that, which will be a challenge from a student of this online business builder challenge who have successfully made over $100,000 by following all the teachings of this 15-day online business builder challenge. And you can learn from him from any country, country in this world. But again, I want to tell you that if your country is available for this online business builder challenge, then you should definitely go with this challenge, because it will actually change your life, your financial status and everything. And remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and share it with your friends and family whom you care. So take care, have a great life ahead, and I wish you a best of luck for you to start a profitable online business. Take care, bye bye.